Alright. Part 3 or 4, I guess, maybe? The bike is running really, really good. Camera's doing good, I think. Please, guys, give me some feedback on the angle, because I don't know. I don't know if it's good for you guys. I can't even tell because I can't see it, and it doesn't obstruct my vision. No matter the angle, so tell me in the comment box. I'll hear those guys on the motorcycles again. There's one dude. Yeah, I gave him the wave that time. So this is actually a pretty fun road. I haven't come across any loose stones yet, so I haven't been hard on the bike yet, because actually I only have 1,926 miles on it, so it's still a baby. Definitely a baby still. Original tire, some not so original parts. As you know, it got laid down last summer because of a semi-truck driver lost control of his rig, and you know, gas can came flying at me. So I don't know if you can see, but once we come up here, there's really pretty scenery over there on the right hand side. That's part of the riverbank. So as I said, this is in Ohio. Oh, loose stones. And if you guys can hear that, you know, that clattering sound, sorry about that. I still hadn't buckled my helmet up yet, which I know I should, like big time, because first ride of the season, not so good to do. Actually, you know, I think I might pull over right now and buckle it up. There's no one coming, so you know, I've got a open up my visor here. I've got a lap timer on this motorcycle, so those guys were behind me the whole time. Those guys on the motorcycles, they turned around and wanted to ride with me, I guess. I have no idea who they were. What time am I at? 3 minutes-ish. Alright, I can deal with that. So I know in another 3 minutes I have to stop talking and or start a new video. I can deal with that. The bike is running at 182 degrees just sitting here, which is warm, but again, so I'm not going anywhere, so that's probably why. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's roll. Sorry about the wind noise again. That's what happens when you're on a super sport. You get the wind noise. Up here on the right is what I was talking about with the eagle. There's the eagle's nest. I guess I'll slow down so it won't be as windy. And the eagle is actually in the nest. I'm sure you can't see that, but it's up there. Man, it feels good to be on a bike. Did I say that yet? Oh, and the bike sounds beautiful. This gas I have in here, in Ohio we have the choice of a 94 octane. So it's actually the 94 octane, but it's the gas from last year still. I put a fuel stabilizer in it, so it is doing excellent. I couldn't ask for anything better on this bike right now. Yeah, what I was saying, the mirrors are about useless. They are. They are about useless.